Hi, my name is Sadidin El Naqib and I'm a fourth-year mechanical engineering student at Hirat Watt University. For more educational videos, please subscribe and comment below. The skills that are required in order to achieve success and the ones that are developed throughout the course over time are team leadership. Working out a plan and organizing with your team members is very crucial to achieve successful outcome. Creating a structure within your teams as well. Time management is also a crucial skill in order to effectively and efficiently produce your project in a timely manner. In addition to that, communication is also a crucial part as you showcase your projects in an attractive and persuasive manner. Joining the first year, I was able to build an electric tricycle, but there was a limit to that. And in order to achieve a bigger project, you need a proper team. And through my ambition, I was able to find other team members that are also ambitious to that. One person, an individual, cannot really succeed in building a large project. That way, you have a team management skills coming in handy. Creating a bigger team means creating a bigger project. In addition to that, having a large team means having a lot more experience, which expands your horizon. That way, you'll have more connection, and professors are there to help you. So please do go and visit them. When you have that connection and expertise around the world, you get to experience a much wider, outside the box thinking. You will be able to, at no time, make your small project, your individual project, build it from electrical tricycle or electrical bicycle to a Formula electric vehicle to compete in other competitions locally or abroad. It's a bit of a cliche, but writing notes is very crucial during the class, as well as paying attention to the professor or the doctor. Usually our mind go off track, but always take notes. If you have any questions as well, don't hesitate. Doctors are there for you and for your learning. Aside from the class, you have to attend multiple tutorial lectures in order to test your examples and solution capabilities. After you go home, you have to write examples and answer them. Writing your own examples will also enable you to think as a professor, as someone who's writing the exams and so on further. Professors are also your best friends. So if you have any questions aside from the class, you can go ahead and book an appointment with your professors and ask them that question personally. To summarize everything I've said, team leadership, time management, communication skills are very crucial, as well as you're ambitious and communication with your team members in order to build further projects, bigger ones, and as well to write notes and keep up with your professors and keep on writing solutions and examples. Thank you very much for listening. Please do subscribe and comment below. Thank you.